Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. What's really happening? Yeah, we are on our economic calendar. But before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on the economic calendar? We can easily see that we have interest rates from Britain around 1 o'clock. So today, by the way, later on, we have unemployment claims, and yeah, we will see what will happen from there. But we don't really have any aggressive news except this one here. And we have a GBP order. So obviously, they say they're not going to increase the rates, which means they're going to pause with the rates. So that might be a little bit negative, and the dollar might get some momentum or gain some momentum actually against a GBP. So tomorrow it's Friday. We don't really have much, but I see that earlier we have GDP month over month for Britain and consumer sentiment from the US. So we will see. But this week it was a little bit quiet. It was a little bit quieter. So yeah, you can also go through some CNBC and try to check what's really happening. Just because you have to keep up with the news, right? So now we are actually on USD ZAR. I'm starting with this because we actually have an order. I also tried to take this one. I can easily see that now it's actually going down. But we are not actually on aggressive negative. But the bigger structure here is we are on this nice trend. We are actually on a very nice straightforward uptrend. You see that? So the market is respecting this level. So let me plug this. So the market is respecting this support area. So that's why we see the market going up. So every time when the market reaches this level, we see the market doing what? The market reversing. And I'm still expecting the same thing to see the market reverse. So at the moment, it seems like the ZAR or ZAR South African rand is quite a little bit stronger here. But I hope that maybe we will see the market going up. So here you can see where the lots that the stop loss is. It's quite close. So which means you can actually adjust this because there is a chance that the market can just reach this level and bounce back. And at the same time, maybe you're lost. You see, so you have to adjust this according to your actually lot size, the risk management that you are taking. But if that is going to be too much, yeah, it's fine. You can take a loss. Then maybe you can open the other one. So that actually will help you to think twice with the risk management. A lot size, it's something that kills our account. So if you play around soft with that lot size, that can actually help you. Right, so what we see here is yes, we have a very nice structure here that touched the support and we had this bounce quite similar to here. The market did touch here, so we can see that the market is trying to move away from that support, and what we see is the market just reversed, but we can't say we're already selling. So I'm still expecting to see the market going up. Maybe later on we will be in some very nice profits. So let's push to the next one. So now we are on Eurozar. Guys, for those who don't know, because I do send these signals, but doing all these currency pairs or all these symbols, guys, it's not really what I should be doing because this makes the videos very, very, very long. So which means I have to focus on very few and the ones that I actually trade. But I will still go through this. So yeah, on Eurozar, we can easily see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend. I think it was straightforward. You can see it was going up very nice, quite similar to what we saw on USD ZAR, but USD ZAR did not really break that trend. So on Eurozar, we broke out. You can see this was the first breakout, went lower, the market went up again. So it means like the market is just broke out. Actually, we're expecting a nice downtrend because the market, it's no longer on that uptrend. So what we see here is we are on this nice structure. So this is a support area. So I'm expecting to see maybe the market breaking out before I jump on that sell. But I don't really see an aggressive breakout unless if maybe we have some news. Remember, around 1 we have a GBP interest rate. Remember, Europe and GBP most likely they will correlate. So if something happens here, we might see a nice reversal or maybe an aggressive push. But the structure is telling us that the market just broke out. So which means we start to have to expect some downtrend structure. We have to expect a selling structure, and we will be watching out of that. So below this support, we will be actually looking for a very nice sell. Now we are on AUD USD because we did take this also. So you can see that we have this ranging structure from a bigger time frame. You can see that we have nice resistance on top there. And on the bottom, the lowest area is this one. So the other ones there. But here it seems like something like that. But what I have seen is every time when the market touches this area, the market does what? The market goes down. You can see around these levels, the market used to go down. That's what we did here, and we were in that profit. So I was still waiting for the market to reach that level so that we can actually lock or maybe even closing. I'm still expecting it to go even lower, but just know that the market here and there will end up playing around. The market won't just go straight down. You can see even here, the market went down, reversed a little bit, and this is actually 4 hours time frames. Reversed, went lower, reversed, and that's how the market moves. Even here, the market might be doing the same thing, but we can still hold those trades and still eat. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is DXY. DXY is still on that uptrend, guys. I've been talking about this after that rejection. We can easily see our previous uptrend structure. So to me, this is actually an adjustment, which means we have to draw that support correctly. But at the moment, I'm just waiting for a perfect breakout going up so that I can adjust this, because even this still makes sense. So we can easily see that after this nice nice uptrend, we had this reverse resistance here, quite stronger, by the way, because it started back there. I hope maybe you saw that in our analysis. So this breakout happened after NFP, and from there we started to see slow reversal, and this shows that the dollar is quite stronger, and everything that will be going against the dollar now, it means we might start to see that reversal, because this dollar is still gaining that momentum slowly. Once we see that push, we know that Euro USD, GBP USD, they will be going down because the dollar is getting that momentum. So now the market is not really open, but we will start to see those smaller move going further. So which means the dollar is still aggressively strong. So at the moment, we are still on that bullish momentum. So which means we will end up drawing something like this, but because that's how the market is doing, something like that. You see that? And we can see that the market is still trying to go even higher. And that shows us that other pairs won't survive that move. We can see here on USD JPY that since that reversal, the market has been also reversing on USD JPY, because JPY was actually aggressively selling, but on this move it was difficult because we did not really have a proper support or resistance, because our first structure, it was moving like that, and we had this type of a breakout. So which means we have to adjust that structure, and it makes sense because around this area it's where the market reversed. You see, we did not really take this one, but we took the other ones and we did smash that. Now we can see that the dollar is still doing what? It's still continuing to go to the upside. It's still going up. So now let's push to the Euro JPY. I think we already smashed this. Let's get out. Let's get out of that. So the structure is still quite straightforward. You can easily see that, yes, the market is still on this nice uptrend structure, and we're still continuing. At the moment, we just need to wait and relax, because we are waiting for a proper resistance. We're waiting for a proper resistance. We don't know if it's this one or that, so the market will end up creating that. But what we know is we are on this nice uptrend structure, which means we have to continue buying at the right a reversal or at the right structure. So which means the market might touch this area again, then we can buy, or maybe the market will be breaking that area or creating something above that, we can continue buying. But since we have, or since we had a nice buy there, we just have to wait. We don't really have to fight the market. We just need to stay out of the market. And sometimes it's, I don't know if maybe it's not really good to wait, because I see people, they don't really want to wait. They just want to trade non-stop. We can tell them, or I can tell them, guys, we are on an uptrend. Let's look for some buy positions. Just because they, I don't know if maybe is bad habits or something, they will just say, Kenzo, can I look for a sell? Can I look for this? No, we just said it's an uptrend. Let's look for a buy. Why? Because we can see from a few months ago, the market has been going up. You don't really want to be on the right side of the market. It seems like that, because this thing is going up for quite some time. It's 90% going up. So why will you want to sell? Yes, I'm not saying that maybe if you sell, you're not going to make money here and there. But why do you just like to complicate this trading thing? We are on an uptrend. Let's look for buys. And simple as that. But we're not saying that because we are on an uptrend, we'll just buy anywhere. No, we'll buy at the lowest areas or where the market gives us those reversals, and we keep doing that. Simple as that. So this is what I see. This is what I see when we teach people. People, they just keep doing their own thing, and that's wrong. And I don't think maybe that it's someone's fault. At the end of the day, people, they will be complaining and say, Kenzo, 1, 2, 3, or not actually me, but they will say mentors they don't teach. But you know what really happens is people come with their own experience. You come with this huge experience from YouTube, from your mentor, from your previous whatever, from books, from whatever. This is just too much information. You have that. And then things don't really go well with the same information that you have. Then you want someone to help you. Someone new to help you. Guess what? You go with this information. Because you can't let that go. Why don't you just let that go? Because it's not working. Try to learn new things, right? Once you start to learn new things, it means you're not saying that whatever that you had before, it's useless. No, just learn new things and see if those things are working. But you come on the class, you have your bag, your luggage here, and you just want to squeeze the new information in this older one. No. You're still going to get the same results. And unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. But that's how it is. People, they just can't learn. People, they don't really want to learn. I don't know why is that. But anyways, what's really happening on Bitcoin, we can easily see that Bitcoin is trying to reverse. Slowly, I think I showed you this. This is what I see. But we are coming from this nice uptrend structure. But for now, I feel like I can just show you this. And if maybe it breaks this area, we can say, okay, maybe the market is just playing games. Let's go back on that uptrend. But it seems like slowly it's going down. Slowly it's going down. Slowly it's going down, right? So, yeah, let's see. Something like this. You see that? That's what I see at the moment. So which means it's slowly going down, but once we get out of that, we can say yes, that it's a proper downtrend, because this one, it's still inside our uptrend structure. So we don't really have to have a downtrend structure and uptrend structure in one picture. No, it means this downtrend structure has to start once the market breaks this area, and we can talk about it from there. But yes, we did show it before, but we don't really have to have too much information on one thing, because we have to have one idea. If you start to have 10 ideas, you get some issues. So now we are actually on Euro USD. You can see we had that sell there, but the market doesn't really want to move, and we know very well that this week we have some very, very, very few economic events or fundamentals, so that can also make the market to be quite slow. So yeah, we can easily see that yes, we are on a nice downtrend structure. The market just touched that resistance, and we see that the market is struggling. The market is struggling to go down, but what I like is it's slowly going down. Let's hope that it's going to continue. Around this area is where I want to tell my people that they should be locking their profits. So yeah, we will see. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, you will let me know, guys. We are still on that downtrend structure, so I'm expecting to see the market going down. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So let's push to the next one. GBP USD. What's really happening? We are still on that nice downtrend structure. We can easily see that the market is going down very nice. The market is going down very nice. So I'm expecting something like that to happen. You see that? So, but slowly the market is going there. It's been playing around this level, but I'm still expecting to see a very nice sell. But we have to hold. But remember, we have interest rate from GBP. This move can be aggressive later on. So make sure that you understand what you're doing, apply your stop loss, or maybe just lock your profits. Or if you don't really feel safe, just get out, because you are already in a smaller profit and it's better than nothing, you see. So I hope maybe you are doing that. So we are still on that downtrend on GBP USD. Now we are on gold. You can see that gold is actually on this nice ranging structure, which means it doesn't really know where it's like it's 50-50, bearish and bullish. Momentum is just playing around there. So, and we are coming from this aggressive bullish move. So let's go closer. We can see that after we broke out of that trend, the market started to give us this ranging structure. So yes, maybe we were about to act, selling, whatever. But once you start to see something like this, just stay out, because it shows us that the market is still thinking. The market is still deciding where to go. So the best thing that you can do, wait for the market to break this support area before we can say, let's think about selling. Yes, the market broke out. We expect the market to go down. But with this type of a consolidation, it shows us that we need to think twice, because if you just get in, the market might just play games with you there and you can end up losing. So the best way is, let's get out of these walls, this resistant wall and this support wall, before we think about buying or selling. So now we are on US30. What's really happening? US30 has been trying to give us some serious structures coming from that downtrend, having this consolidation, and we broke out. Now we had this a long consolidation there. After that, we thought maybe, you know what, let's have a buy. It was in a smaller profit. Guess what? The market seems to be trying to reverse. I'm not saying that maybe we lost that trade. We are still very closer to the entry, so I'm still expecting to see the market to go to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. But around this level, it seems like we also have something. Do you see that? It seems like we also have something there. Do you see that? That's what I see. So I'm expecting to see, you can see we had this resistance, then we had a buy there. I'm expecting something like that to happen, unless if maybe the market disappoint us and try to go even lower. But this week I will be cautious, guys. The market sometimes can be crazy, but yes, we did have some very nice wins this week. We had some very nice week, nice trades this week. So for those who wants to be part of the team, there it's our services. You can just post these videos. This video, then you can see which one do you like, and you can start to be part of the team. This is also a limited special, so let me know if you want to be part of the team. Check the description. You will also find my free signal link. Then you can talk to me there, or you also find a WhatsApp link. If you want to talk to me there, then you can just WhatsApp me and say, Kenzo, I want to join. Then I will send you that and choose whatever that you want to choose as a package. So for mentorship, it's actually $350. You'll learn everything from strategies, from consistent trading. If you want to learn, not people who are difficult to learn. There's people who have too much information who can learn new things. I'm not talking about people like that. I'm talking about people who are tired of not knowing what they're doing. They just going around the place, not understanding. So for those who wants to understand, and if you want to be consistent, let me know. Just WhatsApp me, then you can start to be part of the team. So now on Nasdaq, we have this nice structure here. The market is now going to the upside. We are on this nice uptrend after those reversals. So now what we can draw here, we can have something like that, something like that, like this. So we see that the market is slowly going up. Do you see that? So we have something like this. Yes, there is a chance for the market to continue, but I feel like the market might end up reversing before we see a very nice push. Another one can be also this horizontal structures. We have a nice resistance structure there. On top there, we can easily see that, yes, the market seems to be giving us a nice resistance. We see the market struggling to get out of that structure. So we have something like this. So the market might also respect this area. So we will see what will happen before we take any buy. Yes, we are still on a very nice uptrend. So which means we have to look forward for buy positions only. So yeah, don't forget to smash that like or subscribe. So now let's go to the next one, which is S&P. Quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq. So you can easily see that, yes, we are on a very nice uptrend after we had this aggressive sell. So what I see here is the market will be creating something like that. That's what I see. Unless if maybe the market is too aggressive here and end up breaking out of that structure, we will see the market going up. But let's wait for the market to break this resistance before we think about buying. At the moment, we just need to chill, just relax. So US oil seems like it's changing the trend. Just look at this. So we had a nice bullish move, then the market started to go down as we broke out of that support area. We thought maybe the market was going to continue, but it seems like the tensions in the Middle East, they're starting to grow up again. I think Israel is starting to attack Rafah again. So much stuff going on. So let's see what's really happening. We had a nice sell around this level. You can see it was far from this support. So we had a sell there. The market just touched our order, slowly started to move to the upside. So obviously we can keep this. It means to us that it's a loss, unfortunately. So, but it seems like maybe the market will be touching this area and go down, maybe, or maybe the market will just keep going up. But I will be updating you on that if maybe we see some changes. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Please, guys, you need to learn to trade. Learn to trade. Get some mentorship. Learn to trade. Even though when we send you the signals, you will understand what's really happening, and that it's actually advantage on your side, right? So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.